barakwereka ni Bright Light Pictures na guhagarara nukuvuga dukomeje Ball KG Production presents the one video label production. Dutangira bafatanyije na Bright Light Pictures mugenzi nkuko mubizi by'idunia iteka abagabo akaba n'abagomba kurindwa n'abagabo nukuvuga mu rugo agomba kuba umugabo. Commandos on duty abakomando mu kazi. Dutangira mu mashamba harabari mu mashamba igihe kimwe umunsi umwe cyangwa undi batangiraga imodoka yanze hejuru y'imodoka hari ikiriho namwe murareba uriho n'icyariho bayo ninde fungura bonnet arebye neza.
There's an immobilizer.
Na mobilizer irimo.
Someone doesn't want us to leave.
Cyakintu cyitwa kuru.
I got about this.
Bibi cyane.
You're not gonna believe this shit.
Ntabwo mwizera umwana.
One in my truck too.
There is no one in my truck too. Nanjye mu modoka yanjye na mobilizer irimo. None.
We wait for Bravo unit.
Dutegereza unit ya Bravo.
Then we all walk out of here together.
Twese turaza kuvana n'udutaha amahoro. Commandos on duty. Kumbe unit bari bategereje ya Bravo. Hari umusore wirukankaga. Uwo musore aho yaravuye. Aho yaravuye byari bimeze nabi. Bari mashamba. Bimeze bite? Turore kanwa ndebe filime zina nturarigera wari kizi n'intamace za filime bivuga ngo ibiri muri ntamace za filime biraza kuza mu maremare. Aho yesi bagenzi basanga umwe urutirigo ngo narurimo. Yapfuye nabi. Afite ibikoresho.
It's not gonna work.
Ntabwo biri bukore.
Don't sweat it. Stay sharp, fellas.
No such. Mukanura amaso basore. Vuga ijambo mukanura amaso.
Contact, 10 o'clock.
Aruje we, aruje.
Get back there. Hold your fire.
Hold your fire. Mufate imiriro yanyu. Bari bagiye kohereza umuriro.
Calm down.
Tuza we.
What's going on out there? What's the damage?
Niki jambere inyuma.
Hard. No other survivors.
Bose bapfuye na survivor n'umwe abaye ni jewe
Turn off
njye.
and tell her what's happened. Get back up. Got it? We got swatted. Got it.
Subira kuri base babwire ko turi mu ntambara urabyumva. Ababanze gusubira inyuma umusore yababwira ngo basubire inyuma bose. Ngo basigara barinze. Shira urumurisha. Bacani muri. Umusore baramubwiye asubire kuri base ajya kubabwira. Commandos basigaye bategereje. Niki giye kuza. Katrore. What you call hell, they call it home. Ngo aho wita habi, aho wita mu kuzimu, niho bita mu rugo. Hano hari ikintu kidasanzwe, gusa ntacyo bibabwiye. Barakwereka basigaye ku job. Batumye umwe barasubira. Kamodoka kagwe hasi barawohereza igitugu ya kamodoka asinze Katrore. Fire! Fate imiriro yanyu. Cease fire. Baare kubanza bareke kurekura. Bamaze kurekura barakwereka kamodoka katangiye kwa kumoto. Bagaye ikibyoga bari bafite byose kamodoka kagunese kwaka. Bagaye ibyo bafite. Gusa nyuma kamodoka nta kintu baturitse batwibaye cyari kiriyo. Kuvuga ari gihari. Katrori. Filime yispendi. Izina ndiragiraho. Izi ni incamake zayo. No kuvuga mu bikobya. Oh you got! Muspane icyo ufite gusa. Bareke ibyo bafite. Yarakuruwe. Yarakururwa. Achao. Undi na achao. Mana yasiye wenyine maze. Komanda byabaye bibi abasore bamushizeho bose bamusizeho. Hari icyo twebwe tureba, hari ikimureba, turareba ko kimureba. Pistolo Katrori. Komanda we yarari wa musore wirukanga ajya kuri base kujya kubivuga kubirindiro. Mu nzira agenda yumvisha induru amenya ko bitagenze neza. Yarageze kuri base hasa n'ahantu hafunzwe amasaha yose no kubanza kwese bano kwinjiramo. Nijewe bimeze nabi. Ntago bafunguye. Byajya ngo bafungure ntibafungura. Inyuma hari ikije. Inhumekere yacyo. Hari ikije. Rimwe.
And that was the last one, Dr. Krieger.
Wewe niwe wanyu manya kwa Krieger.
Absolutely outstanding.
Outstanding. Mbega byiza cyane. abagabo barajye bareba program wa musirikare wa nyuma wari usigaye umutwe mugenzi sengenge yaragiye yinjira mu mutwe maze kakavuga ya magufa yo mutwe nayo va cry fani kuri cry no kurira urifatiramo amasani menshi bimaze kwicuma barakwereka tugaruka hakuno sasa hari umusirikare umwe wavuye ku rugerero ariko mu kuva ku rugerero kwe akaba yaragiye maze akituriza asigaye akora ibintu bya transport ku mazi
Wales, Jack?
byakutwara neza kabisa
A watching tour, right?
uragatangaza
We scheduled them to breach over our boat exactly at 2:45 and...
Promise me Wales, George.
twavuze ko turi bugarukire saa 9:00
You go get us some whales, you get us some money back.
ntugire ikibazo ariko nanone nutatugezaho twifuje kuba twagira dusubiza yacu basubiza yanyu twumvikanye amasaha
Two chances.
ni amasaha nabatwariraga niba mudashobora kongeraho amafaranga ahubwo muransubiza
This boat is going to be back in the harbor at the 3-hour mark exactly.
ndababwira amasaha 3 ngomba kuba nasubiye kuri ya bakari
German, right?
ngo ikitaragera twifuza tutarabona ibyo twifuza kureba uyu mukomando uri hano yahoze ari umusirikare asigaye yarabivuyemo yitwara transport gusa hari igihe atwara abagenzi bavunanye
Okay.
bumvikana amasaha iyo atarabagezayo
Come over here.
waza hakuno ino
Can you hold on to this for a sec?
wamfasha gutya isagonda ukamfasha ntuza yanjye nabanza kureba kumva ibigenzi byashakaga kumwiba byari byabonye kare haba uko byabyifuzaga
Anybody want some beer?
hari ushaka byeri n'abakiriya si uburyo agomba kubafatamo mugenzi baratwaye batwara ubwato mpaka kuri haba icyo bashaka kureba naho ikirwa kigarukiye bazengurukaga ikirwa nicyo kirwa kimwe agiye hese nubwo badashaka kugira ngo mbasubize inyuma
Hey, and
yewe hanyuma
watch out for those rocks here. They're pretty sharp and big.
ibyo binuza biri aho ngaho biri ni ibintu bikarishye cyane kiramutse kikugwiriye wakomereka komeza gutwara
All right, Jack. Take us back.
But George, what about the whales?
Jack adusubizayo
Jack,
hanyuma se kureba ikirwa kigarukiye yanze buriya aradusubizayo uyu yari arimo kumutwarira Jack arongera ahindura ubwato iyo uje ku neza kujyana ku neza waza kuna bakagutwara nabi Jack yari umusirikare yari komando muri special forces yitwara transport hari igihe abakiriya bamuvuna mu kumuvuna kwabo ntacyo bimubwiye Jack ashubije y'abakiriya kuko amasaha yari yamufashe n'amafaranga bafite ku kirwa kimwe yakoreraga transport niho twabonye umuganga umwe witwa Weber ari hakuno hari ibintu ahora ashushanya iteka agasukayo kumba wa mukomanda ahantu ari ni ku kirwa kimwe kiri ibi
That's not Katya.
aka ni agatangaza yego doctor
I never some of your best men.
The best money can buy.
ndashaka abasore beza cyane undi ati dufite abasore beza the best men that money can buy abasore beza amafaranga yagura
Because it was part of research.
nyakubahwa Weber
It takes place outside on this island. There's a security matter that concerns me.
ibintu bijyanye n'umutekano byose ngomba kubimenya niki kirimo kujya mbere kuri kirwa nazi
Feel about testing.
nta na kimwe utazi kuri kirwa
Testing.
guki
Yes, our subject engaged live targets.
You mean you tested in on my men?
hari targets zimwe zakomeje kujya mbere urimo urapima target ku bantu banjye abasirikare banjye
Eliminated 10 heavy armed men.
nakoze umusirikare umwe wapimye abasore 10 bari bafite heavily armed men abasore bafite intwaro zikomeye
Beyond anything the command would authorize.
ibi ninde watanze iryo tegeko
They're not even your men. They're Channel's people.
All of those genetically modified soldiers.
abo ba genetic modified soldiers abasirikare bawe bavutse nk'abantu hanyuma bakaza kongerwamo ibindi ntabwo mbifuza ni ibisimba
That's right.
ntabwo bakwica abasirikare banjye gutyo
And now,
ubu nabanjye
if you would excuse me, I
hanyuma
have to finish my painting.
ubu wihangane niba hari ibyo umbwira ngomba kurangiza ibishushanyo byanjye ndi mu mutoke yapo Doctor arimo arabwira Meja ashinzwe ingabo zose ziri ku kirwa gusa abasore b'abasirikare uyu muganga yaragiye masajya mu bandi basirikare hari abasirikare yangiza ngo akabashyiramo kurwana kudasanzwe niyo bakomeje kurimbura abandi basirikare bagenzi babo
You know, if Parker wants to get that much involved, why don't you have him and his men clean up all the mess?
ubu bagenda bwire Paka niba ubona ibintu yanjye ashaka kubyinjiramo cyane ufate bamwe mu basore
More of this I can stomach.
Paka ibintu nanjye simbyemera
You mean having that hard-ass bitch as your boss?
Captain umenye uriya niwe boss wacu badushinze nanjye ariko simbyemera
But you have a choice, Max.
nakuri guhita mufite
Why
Max
don't you just leave?
wakwigendeye ukava kuri kirwa
That I can do more good by staying.
oya ntabwo nakora byiza birenze ndamutse ngumye hano arimo arabwira Max ni Meja
Not much of a killer instinct for a soldier.
Yeah, well,
turashaka abasirikare kandi abasirikare bashoboye urakoze madamu gusa nta mategeko duha hano Max ni umwe mu basirikare bariyo Max ni umwe mu basirikare bakora neza cyane
soldiers.
Michael Peya uwo musore mwibuka bwa filime kitwa Deadly Take Over
Nice.
Deadly Heroes nako
Looks like some
yagarutse muri aka Michael Peyer
Very-
yagukiniye akandi gafilime kitwa Street Fighters
Ty Krieger's research facility.
I don't need to.
muri Lebanon ari umukomando nawe wakina akandi kagabo kitwa Mwonamima
There's the way.
bakunda kwita Big Drago yari ari hakuno n'umunyamakuru ari kumwe araganira n'umukobwa
On that island.
nzakujya kuri iki kirwa umva anko wanjye uranyereza amashusho kuri iki kirwa kureba ibintu bitari byiza
Are these guys here?
urabona hano hari andi mafoto yanyohereje ejo kuri interineti
Maybe it's super covert. That's all the more reason not to go snooping around.
ibirutsa no kuba utajya kuri icyo kirwa kuko nta basivile bemereweyo nta n'umuntu wemereweyo mu gihe atakorera
This is on an island secured by soldiers?
uravuga ko ari ikirwa cyuje abasirikare cyangwa
Tuition. But I'm not going to have you follow up on this lead. You understand?
urumva ntigiye kuyobora hano ntabwo nshaka kujya ngo ujye ku kirwa niba mwakaninda guhakana ikirwa ntabwo cyemerewe buri wese ko agomba kujyayo
I'll take some vacation then.
noneho ngiye kwifatira vacation mpa akaruhuko urebe ko nigirayo ku giti cyanjye
Have a few weeks banked, right?
nzafata igihe gitoya nzajyayo
Why are you so determined to follow this lead?
nyine ariko
It's too good of a story to pass up.
iyi ni inkuru nziza irazaryoha ari ndamuka ngiye kuri icyo kirwa hari mwayo abagabo basa n'aho atari abantu ko mu mukobwa yari afite anko witwa Sam anko Sam ni umwe mu basirikare bariyo umusirikare utaryohewe n'ibintu birimo gukorerwa kuri icyo kirwa hari umuganga uriyo Dr. Weber yaragiye maze afata abasirikare ngo barimo ibintu bidasanzwe babaye war machines imashini z'intambara Dr. Weber nawe afite ikiraka yahawe General
Doctor, I assume you've got something interesting to show.
bite dogiteri wampamagaye kuri telefone ngo ufite agatangazo ugiye kunyereka tugende tumwereka agatangaza general Dr. Weber yafashe ikiraka kuva kwa General Ezekiel amuha ikiraka cyo kugira ngo amukorere abasirikare badasanzwe urasa ntibapfe iyo ni tekinoloji none generali aje kwirebera ikiraka yatanze kwa dogiteri ko yashoboye kurema mu basirikare barihe nibuka ijoro ryakeye twabonye abasirikare bapfa nta n'umwe ashoboye kuba yakira wari uje kubivuga hakuno yapfuye ibyo byose byakozwe n'uyu muganga Ezekiel arinjira generali ararindwa generali mandoso ndiyo uca abasirikare mu kazi
Your money was put to good use.
Doctor, I could give a shit about fancy facilities.
amafaranga yose wohereje twayakoresheje neza
I'm positive that you'll be satisfied.
We'll see about that.
See for yourself.
irebere neza nyakubahwa generali runguruka amaho urebe ngabo bagatwe kabiri mu buzuyemo
He looks fit.
uwo arasa neza jean afite n'ibigango rwose namubonye ni gatwe kabi
10 holding cells.
mfite ubu ngubu 10 bose namaze gutegura 10 holdings aho bafungiye ni 10
Really incredible.
hanyuma ni agatangaza ko hari n'uwo naguteguriye uri bukwereke n'iki kijya mbere
Here's one we took the liberty of field testing ourselves.
ejo n'uyu niwe twipimiye yapimye abasore 10 bose bafite intwara arabarimbura ntacyo bamutwaye uyu mwe
Gun.
muhimbunda sha generali Ezekiel generali
Shooter?
Blast it.
Be careful, not in the eyes and not in the mouth.
n'umupime mu jisho cyangwa mu kanwa aho uwamupimye yahita ahantu habiri pima ku kada amasasu arinjira irindi rirasimbuka
Here.
Ezekiel
Subcutaneous armor?
The skin itself
yamentibare ni uruhu
is to puncture than Kevlar. His muscles absorb the blows and cover his organs.
iyo amaze kuraswa nk'inshuro 3 ahita yikomeza umubiri ku buryo amera nk'imvubu ku buryo umurasa ntiryinjira
He would kill everybody in this room, including me.
Are you saying that you...
wamufunguye tukareba uwo yakwica bose nanjye ndimo
But I have to work.
ntabwo wamukontorora
What good is that? A weapon that we can't control?
we ni gute warema intwaro tudashobora kukontorora urarema abantu tutakontorora ngo niyo ni abasirikare
We commissioned from you, Doctor.
dogiteri
Me to create an invincible
so
sword.
ni andi mafaranga kugira ngo ashobore kuba yatekereza neza
Basically bulletproof. No need for sleep.
ntantibare ntabwo yakenera kuryama agiye ku rugamba yarwana adasubira inyuma
A soldier!
umusirikare
You're making brainless monsters!
urakora ibisimba bidafite ubwonko kumbe cyateye imigozi cyari gifite muganga umwe kuri nawe abo ni bamwe muganga bagikoraho baraka monster blindness monsters ibisimba bitagira ubwonko nibyo bari baremye yaje akunda gikubitisha amashanyarazi agicomekamo kiratuza generali avuze ko nta yandi mafaranga batanga
He's no better than a vicious animal.
With some more time and
Money, no more funding until you produce something that we can use.
no more funding until you bring up something we can use nakongera kubaha amafaranga mpaka muremye ikintu twakoresha nakongera kubaha amafaranga mpaka baremye icyo bakoresha bari barebye ibintu bidashobora kuba byakoreshwa mu rugamba abantu utakontorora nta mpamvu kumbe hakuno buri byose ibyo bagezeho hakuno Uncle Sam akomeza yohereza ubutumwa Uncle Sam yohereza umwishywa we kagakobwa k'akanyamakuru kazi Sam uri mu biki Sam agakobwa yoherezaga ubutumwa kumbe kari kavuye ku kazi nako ngaka mu nzira karimo kuza Sam bamuguyeho arimo aramena ibanga kugira ngo agakobwa kabitangaze bave kuri ibyo bikorwa bibi.
Your messages. I responded to your last email, but I never heard anything back. Just wanted to check if we were still meeting tonight at that spot that you sent me.
ariko samira ijoro byenze bikunze ndaza kugeraho kuko ngiye gufata ubwato bwihuta ndebe ko nakongeraho kukirwa hanyuma nyereke iyo nkuru y'abo bantu baremye umurimo kumbwira. agakobwa ngaka kari kaje kureba Uncle
Valerie
Sam.
Cardinal calling.
bite munyanganiye kuba nahamagaye ni Jack tuvugana. agakobwa kagombaga kujya kagomba gutega ubwato bwa Jack. ikirwa kagombaga kujya ngo kiri hakurya hariya kiriya turebe kavuye hakuno gace mu mazi.
See you soon.
ufite ubwato.
Ralph?
What?
Ralph Karame.
Made sure to tell Jack about the client today, right?
Ira Jack ko ari umukiriya uje ushaka gutega ubwato. agakobwa kagomba kuza gutega ubwato kagatega ubwato bwa Jack. Jack yari yarayatwaye abakiriya niba hari nibyo nazi. aracyaryamye mada.
This boat is just sitting out over there.
kiriya cyari iyo kiryamye sinagikangura. sasa bana ababyeyi ba Jack araryamye. Jack nawe yahoze ari umusirikare afite ubwato butwara abagenzi.
Sleeping it off.
afite amafaranga menshi cyane mukangure.
Gonna go get him up?
Hey, look, he'll be here.
I am not having a captain that represents us showing up.
umukiriya naraje ariko umukiriya ntabwo yagera ngo tubone gukangura uri mutwara umukiriya.
Yes, Pat.
yego cyangwa nawe wagutera icyuma ahubwo ni muzehe atenga akabavu umutwe wafatanye n'igitusi.
Medusa, this is Dave Beacon, over.
Medusa uyu ni Dave Beacon over.
Medusa, wakey, this is Dave Beacon, over.
uyu ni Dave Beacon over. urumva muzehe ko niyise ngo nawe ni umukomando yewe kumbe yavuye ku rugerero zamani. arahamagara umuhungu we. umuhungu yari aryamye. umuhungu aryamye ntabwo ashobora gutwara umukiriya. umukobwa umuntu yaraje kureba witwa Sam. baramufashe mo kohereza ubutumwa babwira uburyo abantu barimo kwangiza abandi hakuno ngo babagira ibintu bizi kurwana. abasirikare ngo barwana ku rugamba badasubira inyuma bataraswa ngo ishasu byinjire. bamaze kumufata Sam nawe bamuhinduye ubwonko. dore ikintu barimo kumucomeka mu mutwe bacishije mu rutirigongo. gicomekayo yitonze kikagera ku jisho. ibyo areba baba babirebera hakuno. Dr. Weber niyo muganga urimo kubitunganya. Dr. Weber ko yakomeje kwangiza abantu abagira ngo ararema intwaro ni ukuvuga ngo arimo ararema ibintu bidashobora kuba byakontororwa. amaze kurema umuntu wa mbere yashatse kuba yakorera ibyo ni wa mugabo Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam yari umuntu mwiza. Uncle Sam cyarangije kumushyira uruntu mu bwonko rero kirangije gikuraho uruntu mu bwonko gihindura Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam baramwishyura.
Max? Can you hear me?
uranyumva magisi?
Camera's working.
Yes, sir, it is.
ijisho ko rireba se.
Max?
Maxi
Can you hear me?
uranyumva? umunyarwanda yari yavuga izina Maxi ngo wumve uko arivuga yivugira Magisi. niba bayikurahe Magisi.
Max?
Max arareba ibyo areba barabireba kuri ekara.
Alright.
ndaruhutse. kumbe bamurimbuye akazi kare bamwangije ubwonko.
Good. Perfect.
byiza.
Max?
Max,
I think you're going to earn us the rest of our funding.
Max, I think you're going to earn us the rest of our funding. ndakeka abaterankunga bacu bagiye kudutera inkunga kubera ko urimo gukora neza. agiye gutuma batera inkunga. generali wari warahagaritse inkunga yabateraga agiye kongera abatera inkunga kubera Max Katrori.
Maybe you should take the skiff out and check in on him.
ari wamusuzuma none umufashe kumva. kumba kabaraga karagera imaraza generate.
Boss.
tubaraga twe dusigara nk'utwa mu staff.
Contractor.
What? Are you scared of him?
ndamutinya.
You know, you've heard all the stories.
But that's exactly what they are, stories.
numvise inkuru nyine ni inkuru.
Drunk.
Just because he drinks, it doesn't mean he's drunk.
ko yanyoye inzoga ntabwo aba
Forces,
yasinze.
Pat, it's not special army.
urabizi ko ari muri special forces.
If you're not going to do anything, I will. I'm going to go get
niba
my...
utari bukore ndabikora njye kubona imbunda yanjye mukangure.
Menopause.
special force bamukangura n'imbunduro umupfaho ngo special force. yari umwe muri ba special forces. nakwibutsa udufilime dutatu muri special force. abakomando ba special force bakora ibidasanzwe. ni abasirikare batajya bava ku bintu. nakuka ke kanyuma ngo aragakoresha akarangiza ibyo ashaka kurangiza. special forces. umusirikare wa special forces uko yakaryamye mu bwato ngo bagiye kumukangura n'imbunda. wibuka agafilime kitwa special forces ubwako. wibuke filime yitwa Street Warrior harimo umusirikare wa special forces. cyecu hariya ngo arimo arakangura kumbe bakangura disi yakubise umusingizi. akina nawe ukamukangura.
You should be playing with him like this.
cyabona tugize atari yadukangura ari wewe nubwo twakangutse.
To handle a little shooting?
mukangure.
Get hurt. I mean,
naza kumbabaza ariko ndakuvuga.
or something.
barakangura wakangutse kare. nguyu hakuno yari muri special forces n'umukomando ko umuntu umukiriya yarahageze.
Special Army, my ass.
Abakomando badasanzwe agatafari kanje n'umukiriya yahageze. Sike wivuga amagambo mabi hari umukiriya.
And you must be Valerie.
Ugomba kuba ari wewe mukobwa waduhamagara.
You needing one of those where I'm going?
Ye nibyo koko.
Hey, we got some paperwork to do. Come on in.
Dufite akazi kenshi ko gukorera ingwini ndani. Kumbe barimo barakangura umuntu ugomba gutwara umukiriya hakuno. Kiya gispora. Nacyo cyari cyakangutse. Yes Maria. Lokiriantele. Yavuye mu gikomando. Once a commander is a soldier. Wabaye umukomando rimwe ahora ari we. Umukiriya yaramufashe agomba kumutwara kuri cyakirwa. Kumbe umukobwa we yagomba kujya kureba Uncle Max. Uncle Max bari bamuhindiye kare ntabwo akiri wa mu uncle we. Bamuhindiye twabonye ubwonko bwe babukuramo. Bamubwira ibyo bishakiye. Umusore yafashe umukiriya. Amujyana ku kirwa. Kuri bwa bwato bwe butwara abagenzi. Hari nawe yagireyo yinjira mu ntambara tugeze yitegura. Bose ibyo ko kiza gihari. Twumvisha abakecuru bavuga ngo yahoze ari special force.
Keep flipping those, will ya?
I didn't
Fasha ibi ngibi iyo urimo guhindura burusheti nibyo bihinduza. Umukobwa yagiye amwokereje ka burusheti kifi.
Straight back after lunch.
How much to charter your boat for the night?
For the night. We are not that kind of operation. You chartered me for 6 hours, okay?
Urancagaye se nijoro ryose turi maranye. Ijoro ntabwo ayo mafaranga njya nyaca y'ijoro. Njye mwodesha amasaha 6 gusa.
Who said I was in the services?
Bambwiye ko ari umusirikare. Ndakubwiye ko ari umusirikare Max uncle.
Sorry, but I don't know anyone by that name.
Nta zina nzirya Max.
He said he was really glad to run into you after he came out here.
Yarambwiye azina.
I really don't know the guy you're talking about.
Ntabwo muzi kabisa umbwira.
Teach tennis.
Okay, sawa ubwo niba ushatse kunyisha njya ushatse kunyereka imbabazi nakwereka izindi ariko wikabushije nanjye ndikawusha.
So you're his niece, huh?
Uri mwishwa we, you are his niece. Niece ni mwishwa.
I prefer journalist.
Ndi umunyamakuru kazi.
What brings you out?
Ni cyakuzanye.
Meeting with Max.
Nje guhura na Max.
Where, on that island?
Kuri kiriya kirwa.
That's off limits to the public.
That island is off limits to the public. Kiriya kirwa ntabwo abantu bose bapfa kujyayo.
Chartered your own boat for a little.
Ugomba kubuje kwandika ibikuru by'abanyamakuru ndabazi n'amazimwe. Ushobora kuzimura ukazimura uzimuye wizimuje. Ntabwo hari yahemewe komando. Atwaye ubwato yahoze ari umusirikare. Ubu yararuhutse.
See what they were doing over there?
No.
You're not curious.
I'm curious how that fish is gonna turn out.
Ntabwo ushaka se kumenya n'ikijya kumera ku kirwa ko nawe wari uwoze uri umusirikare ibyo simbyitaho nitaye kuri iyo filime kunyukiriza ndebe uko iri bumere. Mva ko nejishe igikobwa.
Care of himself.
Ifi ni hatari.
This meeting.
Ibiruta nuko wakwitaho ubwo ngujyanye ku kirwa ntabwo ndi butindeye.
We found out that his client was doing something that he didn't like.
Max yamubwiye ko bakora ibyo
Thinks he
adashaka.
quit.
Ariko aho yaguye ndakunze ibintu avayo. Yambwiye ko adashaka kuvayo ndamusaba ngo agumeyo.
The story, huh?
Ushaka kwandika ibikuru uzandika n'ibikuru shaho ugende wiyandikeho ugira ngo urandika ku bandi. Commander. Special Force Commander. Urabizi ubwato ntabwo ari ngombwa gutwara ureba aho ugiye kuko aba ari amazi iyo wayobye gatoya urahindura agati kababwo urahindutse. Niyo mpamvu agani areba igikobwa.
So much for camaraderie between soldiers.
Nagatangaza kuba ndi kumwe n'umusirikare.
Fish is cooked.
Utemera ko ari umusirikare ifi nayirangije. Fish is cooked. Yarangije kugutekwa. Bombe yokeshwe. Aje kuyireba imukarajya hamwe handi n'inzobe. Ibi ni biki watetse? Ni
Crispy.
ifi. Yego rusivire civilian. Ntabwo zikwideburiya dore kwasi. Bakomando ntacyo batazi urabishiririza akakubwira ko babishiririje. Icyo unaniwe cyose arakikubwira nta na kimwe baba batazi kuri iyi dunia ya Mungu. Ujya kuzana ubwenge ugasanga yabugutanzemo. Mugingaho. Komeza kumutwara mu bwato mugenzi. Umukomando yaramujyanye ku kirwa. Kirwa mujyanyeho. Nicyo cicyo twebwe tureba turi hakuno ikirwa bwaje bagezeyo. Kobwa agiye ku kirwa guhura n'umusaza witwa Max. Caniye ku kirwa. Nubwo yari umukomando nawe ubwe arabizi n'iki byose arabizi. Aza gucanira
Sign of anyone.
Max wanted me to meet him up on the landing.
Max yamwe ngo turaza guhurira kuri
Then
landing
you want to
point.
meet you on the pier.
We,
I don't know. Like I said,
urakekura
all I
buri
got was the last message.
simbizi nibwo butumwa bwe yanyoherereje.
You want to come with me?
Shaka tujyana?
No.
Oya.
I can take you to the shore, but that's about it.
Ndakugezayo jewe ndisubirira inyuma ko sinkomeza kujya mbere.
Yeah.
Sabo.
Max is waiting for me.
Max arantegereje. Max is waiting for me. Max ubwa gutegereje afite ubwato bunini afite n'akato gatoya kagendeye ku bwato bunini bibaye ngo arareba.
No. Let's go.
Tugende. Mureke dusubireyo cyangwa ndeka ngende. Abakomando arareba afite ugutwi kumbe Max anko umukobwa hari abagabo bakuruka yakuze na sebukura n'umugabo wakuze kukudura uko ngana anko Max bamwindiye kare anko Max ni igisore mwibuka mu gafilime kitwa Best of the Best igice cya kabiri umve imifupa atari mirebere umugabo yabaye umweru yari inzobe white man nibo bitwa inzobe bamweru n'umugabo w'umweru ho curious ubwato bwe bunini yabusize hakuno ajya mu kato gatoya atwara umukobwa amwerekeje hahandi umukobwa ambwira ngo agomba guhurira na Max twe twamubonye yahindutse ni umugabo wakuze byara abagabo bakura batirondereza Max yarakuze ho
Can I take this?
Thank you.
I give you exactly 6 hours.
ndagutegeza amasaha 6 nagera utari wagera ndasubiye ndagaruka na Max
You better be here when they get back.
mwabye ningaruka droko gisa higana igikobwa ni umukomando yahoze ari umusirikare yisubirira ku bwato bwe igikobwa kijya gushaka mwene wabo buriya yarakiretse kijye gushaka bene wabo cyane ushaka bene wanyu wamugingaho jo gushaka bene wabo Magisi niba abanyarwanda bayikura umuntu yari yaguhamagara izina Max ngo wumve yivugira Magisi
Cardinal.
ugifate
Party.
ukaza ku munsi mukuru welcome to the party
Get rid of the boat.
ubwo nawe baramukuruye ubwato mugende muturitse RPG barayizana launcher umukomanda yibereye hakuno ku kibyeri launcher yaje ku bwato bwe nijoro banga baza kureba amazimwe n'abajyana amazimwe yarabye uruntu bagiye kunywa byeri ariko se niki kirimo kuzara yabonye igisasu kirane bagaba baza yicomeka amazi igisasu kiraturitse umukobwa n'umutwaye mu bwato bose basigaye ku kirwa basi dore filime ngo iratangira rero muginga gusa bakinishije wari umusirikare nkabo dore filime ukuntu igiye kuryoha kandi azi no koga ahora ajyana abagenzi mu mazi filime iraryoshye rero
Check for bodies.
mugende musuzume sha umurambo
I hope you didn't leave anything important on the boat.
ntutekereze by'ubwato ko bwo burarangiye
I'd be more concerned about yourself.
naje kureba Uncle Max we tangira witekerezo Max
You'll see him soon enough.
uraza kumubona vuba I want to see Uncle Max you will see him soon enough uramubona vuba bidatinze bajya gushaka umurambo dore bagiye gushaka umurambo undebera bagiye gushaka umurambo twabonye mazi woga ho
You go that way. I'll check over here.
manuka hakurigiriya nanjye ndashaka kuri no tujye gushaka imirambo namaze mwe dushaka bashatse kumpima naravukiye amezi 9 narakoze ibyo bakoze mwari ibyo bakora once a commander always a soldier abarenzaho yahoze ari special force commander oh
Doctor? We have her.
dogiteri turamufite
Checking for survivors.
tujya bagiye gusuzuma abasore banjye abava bazima nanjye nibyo ndimo ariko turakubwira mu kanya doctor aribo barashaka umurambo majya giti mu mutwe kigari we babigiyemo nyuma yanjye ukikwega bireze mando gato cyane majya imwe kiramuyora ku mutwe komando soja boy imwe Russell uranyumva over kombe Russell bose yabarangije na mimi ndaje ni igiswahili cy'ikinyarwanda Mando nimwe
Check the wood line. 9 o'clock. Sir, go.
musuzume n'ikivuza we yewe wambonye se naje nk'uruhara hari ibisa n'ibisubire uruhara iyo rwaje ruba rwaje.
Russell and Kyle, send a backup team.
Mwese kipe mufasha ko ndamagara ku bantu ntibavuge menya bashize. Nawe urimo gahambirwa. Commando! Soldier boy! Commando! Abasigira itunda mwakira icyo kumwe. Ho! Mwaguruke mujye kumubona nawe atige kandi utamubona ubwo nanjye araza kumbona mujyane mwese mujye kumubona bajye kumubona batabona boss kuko nibatamubona boss baramufite araka imodoka zivayo ziraka
Universal handcuff key.
Where'd you get that?
Never leave home without one.
gira agafunguzo wifungure agakuye ntabwo njya mbugura umuntu nk'ubu ngubu bazi ubukoresha agomba gukenera.
Uh-oh. Here they come.
Stop them!
mubahagarike barohereza
Great. Thanks.
shaka uburyo wifashe imodoka batangira kuyiha ho fire
Oh, sure. I'm great.
Far Cry niko filime yiswe nuyikumbura uzavuga uti ndashaka kureba filime yiswe Far Cry. The one video library. Commando ayerekeza Advance ubwo mwamaga ndeba inyuma reka mume ndeba inyuma ndeba imbere mureba imbere. Commando baba baramuha Philippine target target ya ikimodoka cyari imbere maze kirunama izindi zikandagira zahama zica hejuru amaze imwe bajya kurimbamo abakomando bazitwara mu bikorwa hindura isafuriya rimwe zitenga amasafuriya birudu safuriya hejuru Commando moto
How about pitching into it?
I'm trying.
Fly harder, please.
shaka ikintu cyabahagarika biri aho ngaho biruzuye ko bwafata icya mbere kumbe ni bimwe biroba cyarobye umugabo. bas hama inyuma hama
Well,
komeza usuzume n'ibindi we hari byinshi binaniza abakomando aka gakora iki
it's called a hand grenade.
iyo bayita hand grenade yinagaye grenade kiyinaga ari mbisi ko ntacyo
Pull the
bikoze
pin.
pini wayikuriyemo se
The pin.
pini itayirimo ntacyo biba bimaze kuramo pini nurangiza ukijugunyeyo kuko uru nuri sivira abwira ni urukobwa rw'umunyamakuru kazi ukuramo pini tugiye kwinagara uyinagaho bicaye ukoze iki
Yeah.
ndayinaza uyinaza hese mu yacu turapfuye we cyafashe ibigerenade byose handi grenade zose kijugunya hanze dore uko byagiye nk'amatunda iyo kirayiha
What's happening?
bigenze bite batangirwe n'indege muri icyo gicuku
Anything else back there?
I'm trying.
komeza ugerageze ko hari ibyapima indege yawe aho ngaho ku ruhande rwawe ndimo ndagerageza umukobwa avana bya bibunda tuye kurasa cyarazamutse kimwe kirimo kimo
What the hell is that?
cyo nicyo urashese kandi
I don't know.
What do you mean?
inzu rwari rwo mbonye ruzamukana n'urugozi ya myamba igenda igacakira ahantu bari baguye babuze gato bageze ku manga bami bafungira inyuma bazi ngo barabarangije kumbe barashe mu ndege iragenda iracakira kuko yagacakiye n'irimo ikibunda nako n'imodoka irimo ikibunda indege yakuriye ikimodoka abari babahize yewe babonye bacaho tabaza ubuvuye bwa bariya baginga sana kumbe nabutabaza abaginga sana bageze imana basi baginga sana cya kigozi cyari cyavuye mu modoka cyari giye cakira muri cya kintu uza kindege kizana umuyaga gituma indege igenda bandarateri vayo sibiliyani vayo abakomando nabyo baba batarize no guca mu mazi bacamo guca mu matanura nkanswe amazi akonje sha ndege kundi akamodoka bari bavuyemo bace mu itanura ngwino caya amazi arakonje ngwino twace mu bishyushye komando dore ikidege inyuma yabo umusore ari hano yahoze ari umusirikare abamwigana abasirikare
Search. I want confirmation they're dead.
go for the search. I need a confirmation when they are dead. mugene mushake nkeneye confirmation, hari confirmation na confirmation. Arumva ko bapfuye ariko akeneye kumva ko bapfuye bwa kabiri, abibwiwe n'abandi abagiye gushakisha, bagiye gushaka kumbe dore abakeka ko ari abapfu. Confirmation hari igihe yaza atari katroli n'icyongereza. Confirmation nari confirm. Confirm and reconfirm. Ho! Commando. Bavuye mu mazi akonje my friend, amazi y'ijoro agatsindwa n'Uwiteka. Uvayo gutya n'akaga kakubitaho none ukumva byose ni imihumetse. Ho! Aratemberana n'ikinyamakuru kazi hano hari akazu. Niba hari n'abatuyemo turabacicikesha. Kubita kuyinjiramo. Maboko masa ariko ntacyo bimutwaye. Special Force Commando. Yawe utari umusirikare wa Special Force. Wakomeretse? Niryo jambo rya mbere yabaje umudamu bakinja mu kazu. Ntacyo nabaye. Ko numva utitira se ngo mana numva mfite imbeho. Ya, uri umusivile koko. Timbeho. Kuva amazi akonje ugakubitana n'umuyaga.
Even shot.
Warashwe.
That's just a scratch.
That's just a scratch. Ngo konga ko nukunweka gusa. Ntago bamurashaka agasasu kamuciye kwibondo. Yabinje barabizi ko bimera. Mu mafunzo babicamo baragupima mu gutwi mu zuru ngo bakombeje uko bimera.
Turn around.
Hindukira. Hindukira ngiye guhindura imyambaro. Turn around kambwe guhindukira ko imyambaro yose irakonje. Ikikombe nacyo cyajyanyemo n'imyambaro ikonje kivuye mu mazi nako kigeze gihindura ariko ntacyo bikibwiye. Bose barakonje gusiyagariza akanyabugabo warabikura amataniri wamubwiye ngo hindukira. Basi. Kaka scratch aragenda kubitaho ikintu yago niba ari igishashi niba ari ikintumbazi. Gusa kubitaho uruntu nta muganga akeneye. Ibintu byose no kwidaburi. Darebye nakubonye uri muri andunguruka jewe mwene papa reka danga data. Sawa.
You can turn around now.
Ushatse wahindukira noneho narangije. Iki kirimo kiriyambira ibyacyo umukobwa nigeze anagifasha gusa wumva ko
It's my fault he stayed though. I convinced him I could take the story public.
It was his decision to stay.
nashakaga inkuru najyana mu baturage. Umunyamakuru kazi.
What do we do now?
That's easy.
Arakonje.
Get off this island.
None se dukora iki nta kindi ibindi biroroshye no kuva kuri iki kirwa bamuzirika ko abwira umudamu.
No.
Oya.
To look for him.
Mpaka mbonye Sam.
You asked me as a water cap. Shore excursions aren't part of the deal.
Ibintu ntabwo byari birimo mu byo twavuganye.
Except yourself and money.
Amafaranga usukorera.
Did I mention you owe me a boat?
Harya nigeze nkubwira ko hari n'ubwato bwanjye wampombeje. Ngo nabwo ugomba kubwishyura. Nabiri ibindi. Igikorwa kirambwira ko niba akorera amafaranga ibindi byose ari byishyura. Ubwato nabwo burimo ariko. Amanda. Yakomeje nawe gukonje igipantaro kirakonje. Bose baratitira.
Can I come in?
Wahindukira nawe nanjye ngakoramo iki gipantaro ko numva byakomeye. Sawa. Hindukira.
I have to take off my wet.
Ngomba kuvanamo iki gipantaro.
So no.
Kandi bakeneye kuruhuka burije cyane. Umukobwa ryihindukiye ngo bava yaje yambaye ikabutura byahinde byitso bya mugondo. Vuba urukobwa ruhindukiye ahita azana n'igitara vuba. Ushatse wahindukira narangije. Commando. Soldier boy. Baratitira ubwo kandi ubundi bavuga ko umuntu ubundi wishwe n'ubukonje. Ikintu kimwe kimushyushye. Mbubona neza ari marembera agiye gupfa bura gatoyi. Ni umubiri w'umuntu. Sasa umubiri w'umuntu ni ikintu gikomeye cyane ku bukonje. Uzagenda usanga umuntu warwaye ubutita ari mu rubura maze nurageze umwiyegereza umushyushye gatoyi urebe. Ubutita. Nakonje narembye nanjye nuko. Abasirikare samujya mukonja nanjye nuko. Over. Yakize over rero nawe ubyumva. Basi.
It was cold. Shared?
Arakonje kabisa. Bavuye amazi mu kanya. Mu nyanja. N'akazu karimo karaca mu muyaga. Hari twakwegera n'umwe agashyushyu undi. Hari igihe nta kibazo nabyumvishemo kare ahubwo uvuze nabyumvishemo kare. Ntabwo rero n'unyegera ariko ntinyegera ariko egera kwitamo. Igikombe gikomando gishobora kwereka imbabazi. Komando yakwereka imbabazi. Basi. Iyo ni imbunda numva ra. Kuki? umukobwa yumvise imbunda nibagiye kuyikuramo arahindura nta mbunda ubu mfite kabisa yumvise imbunda icyahoze ari igisirikare mugenzi hari ibintu bisobanurwa muri filime n'ibirenga isobanura hari ibirenga isobanura katururi filime yiswe mwawe kuva kera nari umusirikare ntumbone gutyo nari umusirikare yari yararuhutse mu nzira.
Where are we headed?
Tugiye.
There's a dock by the mill on the other side of the island. We're gonna grab a boat there.
I told you, I'm not...
Tugiye kugenda hafi y'ubuye ukikirwa mpaka ndeko nabona ubwato butuvana ntabwo navana kuri iki kirwa nabonye Sam. Uncle Sam. Alex.
You didn't answer my question.
Ntabwo nshubije ariko.
What do you mean?
Gwera.
What I mean?
Chovuga.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate me?
1 to 10 wabyumvishe bimeze bite? 1 to 10 no kuvuga ngo gwera saa 7 z'ijoro kugeza saa 10 za mu gitondo wumvishe bimeze gute? Ubwo rero niwambaza menye umwe yashyushya ngo ndi tu. Nta kibazo namyumvishe mu nzira bagenda. Uriya musore yari umusirikare. Ibi nibyo turimo kureba cyangwa ku kirwa cyacu ni gute abasivile bahasa. None igikobwa gifite n'amapisitoli. Kimuntu, amapisitoli kimuntu. Ntabwo cyagaritse abasirikare, kumbe kiri kumwe n'undi musirikare ku ruhande. Ntabwo babimenye. Twe twabimenye. Niba utanabizi ndabikwibukije. Komando! Wamauka hejuru. Ndimwe! Uri mu modoka cyaramwaye. Cyahoze ari igisirikare nkabo. Special Force Commando. Ku kirwa.
You come back to base camp.
Ndio akuzanya hakuno mama. Baba kinyuma. We. Yakimubwire kuyakira nawe yawe yazamura. Sirivu pure. Isi ni gatebe gatoki. Bamwe murira abandi bazamuka baje tubarumva. Yuta no kwitonda. Kuram.
I wasn't talking to you.
Ntabwo nabwiraga umudamu ngo nakuremo.
You wish, huh?
Namubwiraga gukuramo igipira cyawe niba atagikuyemo komeza gikuremo.
Keep going.
Kandi sinseka.
It's really on you too?
Mukuriremo.
Okay.
Wabwira kugikuramo nawe n'umusore. Gusa yarenzeho yahoze ari Special Force Commando. N'ingofero byose turashaka kubitira. Nashize ngahe. Mwana mpungura kabisa. Mpungura mwana mpungura. Mpungura hakuno. Hakuno mwana mpungura. Mpungura mwana mpungura. Mpungura kabisa mpungura. Babusize bagambiriye ibiga mpungura. Fungura baye fungura. Kumbe arabaje. Sasa uriya mugabo kumenya ko ari hatari.
We need to have your trunks.
Yeah? Well, I heard what happened last night. Why don't you leave island security to us?
Ibyabaye ijoro ryakeye ari wowe uyoboye umutekano wawe tureke umutekano akaba twe tubiyobora ko nijoro byakuyobeye ari abantu bateye ku kirwa ntubafate.
Being cannon fodder for mutants was never part of the deal, and there's been a lot of us dying lately.
Ibintu byo gupfa ntabwo hano tubyemera kuko twaje gupfa.
So you'll do whatever we tell you to do.
Urakora icyo mbwira gukora.
Then you won't have to pay us at all.
Kitarimo ariko kuyobora abasore banje kujya gupfa tudafata n'abarimo kubica n'ijoro ryakeye bibuka abantu babiri twagiye guhanga nabo. Karaka munda.
We served this.
Ibi ntabwo byarimo. Soldiers. Pima muri mutwe.
Any more complaints?
Any more complaints? Hari undi ufite icyo ashaka kuvuga kirenze? Umukobwa we w'ingabo. Ni ukuvuga ngo kuri iki kirwa nta magambo menshi uvuga. Umukobwa arabaje hari ikindi kirenze muvuga. Hari uwamubazaga ngo ijoro ryakeye twagiye gufata ibigabo ntitwabifashe kumbe dore ibigabo bavugaga batafashe ijoro ryakeye ngibi ni ikigabo kimwe n'igikobwa barakeka ko ari ibigabo byose. Biraje. Here they come. Igikobwa nacyo bakistiriye ikigabo ku buryo kubera uburyo cyarwanyemo nijoro kigacika ntabwo bazi ko cyafashwe n'ikigabo cyoboye ikamyo. Ikamyo yabinjiyemo. Ibi babyita mu Cyongereza threat within. Ikibazo kirimo indani. Threat within. Ikibazo kibarimo ubabaye ikibazo ari hanze nkanswe bagezemo ari nabyo yashakaga ndaje sha. Commando. Special Force Soldier. Filime yiswe Far Cry. Ushaka ubusobanuro filime ya The One ni ukuvuga ngo ibonye mu minsi umwe uwa kabiri ziba zashaje kuko ugomba kureba filime bitarenze kabiri. zirasohoka kunjyanye gutya se we ubu urifata nkaho uri imbohe yanjye kugira ngo twinjire neza aba bagabo. Now you are my hostage. Babazanye kwa Uncle Sam. Alex Regis wongeye kuri Rwandegis ukibaza gaho yavuye bikakuyobera. Rwandegis ga nibihubuka he. Alex ngo ni Regis.
Not going.
Your ride is leaving now, whether you're on it or not.
Ramano chakwawe. Nijye ukuyobora cyangwa uranyobora. Sawa.
I'm gonna bring the boat here, and you better be here when I'm back.
I'm gonna run the bull here and you better be on my back. Ngo ninjye ugiye kuba ndimo kuryarya abantu nawe biruta no kwaguma inyuma yanjye. Agiye kuryarya abantu ndemera ukurya indyarya nkira katsindwa n'Uwiteka. Indyarya izana ibipfunsi n'imigeri uko ntabwo ari ukuryarya no gukubita. Ngo agiye kuryarya hano. Kobwa guma inyuma. Mando. Ari mu bandi bakomando kumbaga bafite za kamera hano hose. Security cameraman uri muri control. Yakuba kwega. Ibirota no kwaza ukareba ingibi. Hano dufite abatwinjiriye mu nyubako kuko ndabona umusivile w'umudamukazi. Bafite umudamu uyu wa kabiri.
Is that her?
Yes.
Uriya so mukobwa twagaje ijoro ryakeye niwe.
I thought she was dead.
Naketse ko yapfuye.
She soon will be.
Soon she will be araza ko yapfuye vuba yewe.
I want to speak to her.
I want to speak to her. Nshaka kuvugana nawe. I want to speak to her. Kuvuga. Nako kuganira. Speak ni ukuganira. Talk ni ukuvuga. Nshaka kuganira nawe. Hanyuma akabana conversation. Nabyo ni ukuganira. Boss aragushaka twakuvumbuye kuri kamera ntago bazi ko igikobwa cyazanye n'urugabo. Ndebera ahantu ibintu biryohera. Ujyana umugore w'umugabo ejo bundi bari bakonje maze ubukonje burashira kubera uyu mukobwa. Dimwe.
It's on to the doctor's ready.
Mukijyane kwa Dr. Shredder. Dr. Krieger. Ejo bundi umukomando yarakonje aramushyushya muyagura agenda. Umukururi.
Hump all these ourselves.
Mwana tugomba kwazanira ibiryo ntabwo tugomba no kubiterura ntabwo turi abakarani.
Oh, my back.
Baba umugongo uracitse kumbe hari ababagemurira n'ibiryo kukirwa bariho. Iyo bakudema abantu bakabarema bisimba baremye abagabo ngo bagomba kurwana mu ntambara badatekereje. Iyo barema abantu nkabo hakuno arababagemurira ibiryo bamukomando numwe mu baje. Ndapfuye umugongo we.
I'm sitting down if I
Bana bakiriye bacu we.
don't want the commandant to catch you. Come on.
Tubashyira ibiryo twabazaniye.
Well, what the hell do I care? Because of that tight ass?
Iyo nzanye ibiporeso jewe ntabwo mbaje ngomba kuzamura n'ibiporeso abana baje muri ibiporeso batandukanye na wa mukobwa ndetse na wa mukomando waje kuri iki kirwa ariko nabo ntabwo bazi kijya mbere kuri iki kirwa kumbe dore waje ku kirwa muri amwe abakomando mwe bina muri amwe abasivile mwe bazi baje muri na wahe naje kugemura ibiryo tagomba kugemura ibiryo.
I've been thinking about you.
Ega mbanze nifatire ibituzisha yari kubituzi. Tuzi. Arwaye umugongo waje hone birasa. Bitambukira n'umurwayi. Cara munize. Cara munize bajya mu rugongo kandi bigabo nk'ibi biba byifitiye ku ndwara uyu no special force yawaza ari umusirikare kandi kigabo mu gituza kiragarura nakize we komeza kunyica samafera beto maboko n'igiki arakomeye bidasanzwe ukije ubuzima we.
It's okay. Anyway, what are you doing sneaking up on me like that?
Mbega uburyo mfashamo we.
What are you two doing?
Mwebwe babiri murakora biki?
Who are you?
Wowe urinde wowe.
Answer me.
Subisi.
Said, who are you?
Ndaje urinde.
I'm the food guy.
Ndondo bazanira ibiryo. I'm the food guy. Food guy ni umusore. Bazanira ibiryo.
Who? Mexicano now? He's a good man, but he's gone. What do you mean he's gone?
Got caught spying.
Ndashaka umugabo witwa Alex Gardner. Uri hano. Yagiye namubuze. Alex yari umugabo mwiza we. Komando! Pemba bagenzi bari ku kirwa.
Get him off the boat!
Chimane mugata we. We bane wanyu bari barishwa n'ikindi kigabo tazi cyamaye nkamwe. Amara roto. Garota. Agira ubwato we. Moto.
Where are we going?
Bamuvumbuye. Ubwato bwe bukurikirwa n'ubundi hasa n'ubwa kabiri namwe ni muze sha uri araturuka hino waya yazanywe ninde ko tujye twubaho fire moto imagungura ari hejuru the target special force soldier ubwo ni bumwe buhiye bwa kabiri bwaciyemo baramushaka moto Far Cry niyo turora Chika patroli bari ku kirwa ikigori cyavuyeyo hari ugutwarwa kurura n'umuswa igiswa yakubitanye nacyo mu mazi atazi ibyo kirimo umukobwa ari hakurya yafashwe inyuma yarakurikiwe haragwa ndambara nyinshi moto umuriho patroli Far Cry niyo turora soldiers in the act soldiers in the action basirikare mu gikorwa barapima mugenzi wabo nawe n'umusirikare patroli go igisivile kiri hakurya ibiporezo ni byinshi yavuye mu bwato mugenzi wabo umwe kurikira shaka kurikira umuginga ni mwembi aya turamufite baketo guhagarara ahubwo arongeza maze yongeje aca hejuru y'amabati n'imbaho bivanze n'amafera beto na tenkayori agwa hakurya muzira bagenda mama wajya numvisha amasafuriya akomangana
What's your name?
Jack.
numvisha amasafuriya niba utarumva amasafuriya gikomando uba amasafuriya urumva za gasopo rwose ziraza ukumva ko ari gasopo yo guhagarara uraparika cyane cyane iyo usanze ari bariyeri zo mu mazi ibi ni iki se
I'm Emilio.
turafashe banyita Emilio
Nice to meet you.
ni byiza guhura nawe nanjye banyita Jack nibwo kibutse kumubaza mwana niho ushidikanye rwose ku gikurwanga n'akana nk'urwinga mfite ariko ikigabo gifite urwanga n'akana barabacece bombi komando
So you are the cause of my recent troubles.
niwe wateje ibibazo byose twahuye
There's
nabyo
my boat and we call it even.
Who sent you?
ninde wakohereje
I'm just the driver.
ndi umushoferi gusa
See,
okay
just a simple boatman. Is that your story?
uri driver gusa undatu cyane
Think about being simple.
Whatever.
n'amabwiriza yanjye
Where's
aroroshye
your colleague? And I'm sure she will have much more to say.
mugenzi wawe yatubwiye byinshi n'umukobwa
Been needing me then.
umukobwa mwamufashe cyane turamufite 5 kuri 5
You're here, may as well.
iki cyasamye kirimo cyumva inkuru hakurya
Be part of my new experiment. See you then.
tuze kubona noneho kandi turaza kugukoresha mwana
Oh, I think that went quite well, don't you?
iki
He wasn't looking at me, was he?
ntabwo yandebaga sibyo
Talking about you, right?
mwana niwe babwiraga ibyo bakuvugaga ntibabinshyiremo yarumirwa gusa ari kumwe n'ikigoryi hano bajya babona ikibirimo utabirimo bari kuba bagufunguye gahambirwa imirunga ku birenge cyangwa ku mantuza amavi
Sure.
I'm 3. I used to do this in dance camp.
niba ahantu twigiye dukorera ibi ngibi dushaka uburyo turwana ducikana rimwe kabiri gatatu barikurura baricaye ahubwo babafunze bafunze ibyo basi hari imifungire ya gikomando kabisa none se bakubwiye ko turi mu isoko hano ni mu basivili bafungiye mu bakomando shaka kwiciye guca imigozi maze ukicara
You ever have anything like this ever happen to you and you get out of the situation
mu
or...
buzima bwawe wigeze utekereza ko wahura n'ibibazo nk'ibi ngibi igihe ni ubwa mbere wakiguryiwe twaciye no mu matanura y'akagahambirwa komando turimo amashenge urwanya nkanakana kubera kunywa ubuto bwinshi
I'm sharp.
mwana jye nayobewe kabisa amashaka usa naho ndi mu bintu byo gusa naho
Get up.
nayobewe uyoberwa tumira n'ibigori bizima bitigeze bishya akahambirwa komando ahubwo baramukuriyeho yari ari hano ni ikigo cy'abakomando gusa dogiteri ari hakuno niwe dogita ukora ibyo akora nawe umuhagaze hejuru dogita kumbe uyu munsi bayobye ikosa ni rimwe bakoze warebye filime yitwa Warzone hariyo bita Punisher kabiri babonye iki umukomando bayobeyeho yakoze uyu nundi bayobeyeho ababonye Special Forces babonye iki abakomando bayobeweho bakoze ababonye yitwa Street Warrior iyo byibuka ukayobera kwigeza wa mukomanda kwereka tekinike zose agikobwa ntangane twagukomerekeje siga amacandwa aramuhanagura amaraso
Sit down.
twagira ngo tubwire ibyo ugomba kutubwira Uncle Alex yapfuye.
Dr. Krieger, you should know that the newspaper is aware that I'm here and will be alerting the authorities.
Dogiteri Kuruga wakabaye umeze neza ko abanyamakuru ngorera byose abayobozi babireba.
Scott reported you.
None
Let's see.
ntacyo biri bumare.
What you don't know is my bodyguard is on his way.
Bodyguard wanjye ari mu nzira arimo araza.
Strange.
Gatangaza.
He told me that he was just your driver.
uzi ukuntu bodyguard wawe yambwiye ko ari umushoferi wawe gusa nawe namufasha arahari nuko n'abafungiye batandukanye.
Never caught him. Us being without a helicopter these days.
twakoresheje uko buterera banzira turika muri kumwe ariko iyo yaje guturika tumaze kugufata mu gihe gito nawe twamufasha arahari.
Looking at you,
Jaka ni musa.
don't look at all like your uncle, Max.
Ako wawe Magisi uko twamufunze nabwo ari Alex ahubwo ni Magisi nuko ubwo ni nako twafunze
And you will say another.
uwo wita bodyguard wawe ari we Jack.
It's gone.
Jack nawe mu gihe gitaraza kuba aciyeho. Jack arashaka umugenzi Jack ko bamukorera ibibi babonye aze kurwana kandi yoze kurwana baragutunganya nta kundi bagutunganya atari uburyo wifuzamo.
Go back and sit down.
subira inyuma yawe wicare wa mukobwa we dore ukwasa gasukusuku ngo ni igitutsi yewe ukusa ni kubusa umuntu nakubwira ngo gasukusuku ujya wishima kuko ari kubusa nyine dore ukwasa yana Magisi.
Yeah, let's play I Spy.
yego
Well, no, all right, we can if you want. I mean,
Let's play I Spy.
okay, I go first. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, is it, a freaky doctor?
kiriya kiganga cya nta kigenda iki gitangira kumuganira bakomana bakunda utuganiro twa cyana twa nta kigenda
Deadliest ground troop.
kiriya kijutse iporeze kirema kimuganira ibintu bitabaho. rongora kurebe muganga arungurutse areba agatwe kabi bagatwe kabi muganga bafungiye hano.
Find a more technically advanced.
umusore wawe witaga bodyguard mu kanya gataraza kuba nawe yabaye gatwe kabi bose ndabakontorora ibikoresho biri hano dore karaburi Magisi Uncle Max.
He can't hear you. He just finished his treatments.
ntabwo yakumva kireka arangije uburyo barimo kumuvuramo rero turabaganga turaganga umurwayi agakira.
You're a sick, egotistical maniac.
mwabaswa mwiyambwe ko muri abaswa mukora ibintu bibi hano
I'm just greedy.
twamukoreye nawe rero.
Imagine how much
I'm just greedy ndi umunyabugugu gusa nta kindi nkunda gukora ibyo nkoze hanyuma nkahembwa. Greedy, dangerous, the greedy. abanyabugugu ni babi. umukobwa mukura aho ngaho Dr. afite abamuherekeza dore Max ukuntu bamugize mwibuka twabonye neza ikintu bamucomeka mu mutwe gicaye mu rutirigongo. Gakobwa karaje gahura na Jack.
Happy
Max
reunion.
aramufite.
Turn Max into one of his creatures.
Max bamugize one of his creatures ibyaremwe by'umugabo.
soldiers around here.
we hano dufite abasirikare n'ubita ibintu.
And process. You
Mbere cyanya munini.
has a real potential.
Wait a minute, you say friends? Yeah, hi, excuse me. Yeah, these people.
Abantu
I've
simbazi
even seen her before.
sinigeze mbabona kuva na mbere.
Why you try to...
none wowe urinde se wacumucikishaga
No.
wapi
Hijacked the boat, then he hijacked me.
yashimuse ubwato aranshimuta mugiye kumufata umuginga kibanza kumukinaho karate.
My process will be a waste of...
ubwato ariko yakoreshaga ubwabo nibyo yakoreshaga ubwanjye reka atari ryo mushimuta ari mushimusa bombi mubagire iki aricyo mubanza kwica ubuza bwo kikunyica we ntabwo ndi mubi
Anyways, I'm the food guy!
nari biryanjye mwana ndarengana kumbe kera ni umukomando wakuntu cyaramunize my friend gifite umubiri
We got us?
oye
You're joking, you big baby.
gicucu kurimo kwinihindisha uranira nk'umwana kubera iki tujye kwa muganga bagukura ibyinyo bya hehe kumva arimo araruka harya yarutse agafunguzo ikigori kireba hakuno ndeba iki
What does that look like?
urabona ari iki se ndimo kubwira kureba yarutse agafunguzo k'amapingu babambiriye amapingu ntaburi ibyo agendana yagendanye agafunguzo yabaye nzakagenda n'agafunguzo
Okay.
sawa
There it goes.
No, I missed it. You do it. You know. Ow, ow. Okay, up. Up like dance camp. Up like dance camp.
tuzamuke muri iyo kumba arimo aratoragura agafunguzo yari yarakamize yarakarutse kubera iki cyamubyigaga agafunguzo kagomba kudufasha hano mwabereka ko nubwo ari banza akagendana n'agasasu nanjye mfite agafunguzo n'agapfunsi arakagendana kandi we
Okay, good. Nice.
manda yifungura mwana nanjye nusigano niwongera kuvuga ngo ariko ari jyewe bapima ngo ntabwo nzi turaza kubipfa aragifungura nacyo umukobwa ari hakuno arimo arareba uncle we Max ngo ni Magis.
Let's see if my work on Max has been successful.
Max nuko byagenze rero twamushyizemo imiti neza bigenda neza.
Release GMS 9.
Mufunguro wo muri shambure 9.
This room's making me claustrophobic.
Aro bafunguye muri chamber 9. Bafunguye Max.
Whatever happens, I got your back, you got mine.
Mwana urafite ndagufite ikigabo tugicange maze dore mama shanye kwaje gucanga umuntu. Max.
You know this guy?
Uramuzi?
Jeez, he looks rough. Good thing he doesn't know you're bad.
Areba nabi kabisa menya takusa.
He used to be a nice guy.
We tuza gahambirwe umugabo yose ari mwiza kuva kera. Bari bamuhinduye.
Oh, I don't know, man. He doesn't look so nice.
Simbyitaho kirareba nabi gusa. Kandi cyakuze cyane uyazira abantu bakuze cyane rero.
France yet.
Rero ko Max agiye kwica bagenzi bawe rero. Naramuhinduye buriya n'umwicanyi atari.
Max, remember me? I'm Jack.
Nije Jack.
I'm gonna let you two sort this out, okay?
Mubigiteganyirize noneho munabitegura nje nciyeho. Cyaciyo kirabasiga.
Max.
Max.
Execute.
Execute it. Max wibikora. Ariko uri murantiza Max kandi twarakora.
I'm Jack.
Nitwa Jack Max uranyibuka.
Max.
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 Kill them.
Nicaye. Kill him. Max yafashe umugabo. Imifupa yo mu rwanga nakanira itangira kugonga. Yatangiye kumwereka amasenyekera bakoreshaga barwanya intambara zimwe mu Budage. Kigoryi cyara ngo kijye kuyahura kigonga imifupa yo mu mbavu yapfuye. Yishe babiri.
There's Valerie. Up there.
Max. Mwishwa wawe uri murebe hejuru. Kagakobwa kari gari nako kareba Uncle Max.
What are you doing?
Kora biki? Mwana shaka umuhagarika.
7 and 8.
Mufunge 7 n'umunani. Hari abandi barekuye. Max hari n'abasore babarekurira ababo. Kumbe Max ahisemo gutabara Jack. Filime dore ngo naryo Max afatanyije na Jack. Max n'umwe mu byare bwe n'abagabo araka Max. Mando ari ku bandi imwe Napfuye reka nitwikire. Max yora n'abagabo gufata Jack arasimbuka. Jack nasanzwe Max anganye n'ibigabo. Max ameze nk'ibigabo. Max Jack Max Magisi Max Doctor arareba bafite stamina n'abasirikare baremwe bidasanzwe. Maxi Jack kabara cyari umusirikare usanzwe. Jack aracyari umusirikare usanzwe. Ikimutabara nuko yabaye umusirikare gusa. Barakoresha tactics ze. Kigabo cyaguye mu bandi kimaze kubagwamo baraka n'abaganga kiraba pakwa we indi kinyabuzima gusa maze nawe yohereza dore vuriro shyira hasi bagasafuriya. Gasafuriya rakapaya. Max uwagasafuriya yararashe maze aragenda arasa ku nzugi z'abandi bameze nkawe bose bapfayo iyo bahuye n'ikinyabuzima kitaribo cyose barica ntabwo bashoboye kuba bakontororwa muganga sasa dore ngo arareteza ikibazo mu ivuriro rye ho fire byazambye Far Cry niyo turora Far Cry Dimwe
Same team.
turi mu ikipe mwe mwana turi mu ikipe cyabibonye ko byakomeye Dr. yaratangiye gusa ibyo yashushanyije byose kandi ko ibintu byakomeye abo yitaga abantu bazima batangiye kumugarukana kuko nabwo yigeze abakontorora kumbe hakuno hari ikipe iyobowe n'abasirikare abakiri bazima batari bya bindi ngo baje gukontorora perimeter uburyo bimwe mu byo baremye biracapwa bitava ko byarenga byabaguyemo batabizi araka fire urugamba nambara bato ntabwo niba kumupima neza we bato barabaremye babaziye babaremye babaziye ya barabaremye none baziye babiri fire moto go
They're gonna do a lot of humping here because those things breathe like rabbits.
moto yeah Josh turashaka Max nako Jack pimye umugabo uko mupimye umugabo akomeza kuza aho umupimye mu jisho no mu kanwa wonyine niho wamwica nahandi fire azamuka kigabo kizamuka ukundi dore Jack kigabo kizamuka ukundi Jack kigabo kimanuka ukundi Jack jeno n'umugozi kigabo nta mugozi kikerera garuka gahambirwe garuka sha hasi ni hafi garuka sha hasi ni hafi ariko acaho abanza gukubita umugongo hasi nta mugozi gikenera dore uko kimanuka ndaje sha Maxi uko asimbuka dore uko azamuka ikigabo nta mavene gikenera ni ugusimbuka gutaruka kigerayo icyo nguwo Special Force Commando nta mavene gikenera gatitiyo sha gatitiyo Max Jack nako nta mavene gikenera Commando soja boy kiraza Jack batakarabure hakuno batakaguru hakuno harakireko kindi cyamutabaye atari Ponces muswa gusa
Everybody, drop down! Beware! Remember, mind the mouth!
abiremeye abagabo bahanganye nabo baremye baturori mujisho gusa kumbe dore waremye hakuno Dr.
Mr. Masaki?
Ni Masaki tuvugana?
It's Dr. Krieger.
Byatunganye.
Deliver. You still interested? Good. We agree to the terms. Wonderful. I see you in Shanghai.
Masaki, none ibyo nakubwiye byose byatunganye. Uracyashaka abakomando cyane rwose ndabafite. Duhure muri Shanghai agiye guhungira muri China.
What is it?
Doctor, the perimeter is overrun.
bimeze bite doctor
Heavy casualties.
mfite ba casualty benshi cyane
An evacuation.
abakomando baremye barimo baragwana bidasanzwe mugume hamwe
You holding your position.
you hold your positions
Order to fall back.
mufate ibirindiro byanyu nimusubira inyuma turasubira inyuma ba casualty babaye benshi singitaho mufate ba casualty banyu
With all due respect, don't shove your civilian orders.
twese turubaha gusa nta mukomando wubashye amabwiriza y'umusivili tugiye gusubira inyuma dogita yari umusivili
Shanov?
shanof uranyumva gihita giteza shanof wa mukomando wavugaga ngo ntabwo bubaha abasivili
Yes, doctor.
Shanov?
shanof
I need escort.
nkeneye ba escort
Yeah.
Copy that.
meja roka umwica nkeneye ba escort meja roka shanof yagomba kujya kumwica shanof yabaye ingabo zambaye nk'imikara roka meja iri hakuno dore ukuntu yari abakomando be bambaye igisirikare gisanzwe umuteje shanof bakajorete babaye benshi arabwira abasirikare ko bagomba gusubira inyuma
Take his boat. Get all remaining units.
ibigabo baremye bitari abantu
Rally point drop.
birarwana bidasanzwe
All units. This is Claw 06. All Claw units rendezvous at Raleigh Point Bravo. Confirm. Over.
unit mwese murumva subira inyuma kuri rendezvous point aho bumvikanye over moto mumbe meja rock amotaje cya gikorwa cya ranof hakora ari ikindi kigabo kinjiye mu ntambara kitari kibirimo aya moto ni kigabo mpaka hasi mu jisho honyine mu jisho Major Rocker.
We lost you, sir. We're gonna have to leave him.
Third.
You are one persistent son of a bitch.
Yes, I am.
Urinde wa Moscow. Nibyo ndumuzi.
Leaving.
Shaka iki.
Why don't you come with us?
Krieger still has my colleague.
Kuki tutajyana kubera ko Krieger afite inshuti yanjye.
I won't let him leave with her.
Krieger agiye kugenda ntabwo natuma agenda umukobwa bakiri kumwe. Urakora iki?
Something in short supply around here. But once Krieger gets on that boat,
Izo twari indagano.
he is no longer our concern.
Krieger atari yajya mu bwato. Ntabwo kitureba ibye ndetse n'ibyacu ntabwo bimureba. He is no longer our concern. Niyo mpamvu rero ngomba kujya kumureba nkatabara umukobwa. Uyu musore mureke yicireho. Bamubonye kuva kare. Mbere bari bahanganye nawe. Basubiranyemo na muganga.
The stairs down to the ground floor.
Hari igikobwa cyitwa Farin kiri hasi ku butaka. Umenye kuri buhangane nacyo n'ingabo zacyo. Igikobwa mwibuke kiyoboye ingabo zirabura.
Wait a second.
Zambaye imikara buretse segonda wait a second.
Your gun's empty.
Imbunda yawe yashizemo amasasu. Ushobora gukenera imbunda kiriye. Agiye kugenda.
Remember, aim for the eyes or the mouth.
Aim for the eyes and the mouth. Upime mu maso ndetse no mu kanwa. N'ibigabo bipfira honyine. Ugomba kujya gutabara umukobwa. Afitwe na cya kiganga. Ikiganga gifite za escort zambaye imikara. Uhaye umusore intwaro yambaye bisanzwe.
Get everyone back to the boats and leave immediately.
But, sir,
It's okay. Now move.
Where are they going?
They're withdrawing on my orders.
Giye! Subiza abakomando baki. Nibwe! Subiza abakomando inyuma. Subiza abakomando inyuma. Dupime igikobwa ngo iki? Dupime igikobwa. Igikobwa bari bakizi. Cyasubiranyemo n'uwayohoraga. Basi. Bambaye imikara n'abambaye ibisanzwe bagomba gusubiranamo. Bari barinze. Moto. Fire! Dogiteri kumbe bari barinze. Nawe baramupima n'umugambanyi. Moto. asubiranyemo asuka gusa nahana kumbe wa mugabo wabajemo batamuzi fighter one ujisho bakiri bigabo hasi ujisho na mukanwa bambaye imikara n'abambaye bisanzwe barahanganye subiranyemo bambaye imikara bararinda cya kiganga cyabazanye shut off.
Yes.
Shut up.
What's going on down there?
I'm on it.
I'm waiting.
Tumeze bitaho hasi turimo turarwana
I'm waiting.
ndategereje fire.
It's clear.
Good. You first. Let's go to the boat.
Shut off. Let's go to the boat. Reka tujye ku bwato. Where's the boat? Bwato buri turori.
Tell your men to hold exactly where they are.
Babwire
Move. Stay where you are.
uguma muri
Let her go.
mureke agende mukobwa cyangwa boss
Let the
wanyu
girl go.
mureke igikobwa kigende.
Shut off.
Let the girl go.
Girl.
Shut off. Reka umukobwa agende. Oya boss
Let her go.
agende
Calm down.
mbunda hasi kwanza. imbunda hasi mbere na mbere tureke igikobwa kigende. Fire. bamushyize mu mbavu. barakaruwaje Max Magisi atari mu jisho nimwe 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 kibaho atari mu jisho nimwe the speed mu jisho target umukobwa afite ntisanzwe cyamudo bacanaho Maxi Max umukobwa yagiye kuri Maxi Maxi yarapfuye umusore yakuno yarasigaye wa musore wa yishimira umukobwa tugende anko yapfuye nta kundi Dr. nawe yarimo gucika filime yiswe nde Far Cry Maxi yaguye hasi abandi bagenda bakavuga Max akavuga Magis yani bayihubanura no gushyira kuri X nibyo binyobera Max yaramaze gucaho umukobwa mugenzi ubwato bwari hafi Jack yatangiye guhamagarwa na cya kigabo cya nyamunini Jack ngwino kindi cyaporesha ibituzu bihagije sana umukobwa ducaho.
Can anybody hear me?
baranyumvara arunyumvara
Captain!
Captain
It's the boat!
where is the boat Captain ubwato buriye kumbe Captain nawe wari uhari abagabo cyari rimeye nibo bari bagiteye yaremye abagabo badashobora gukontorora ubwato bwari buhari Max yabugendeye n'umuntu w'umukobwa wahamagaraga ubwato ntabwo yashoboye kuba yarengaho yasigaye ku kirwa cye umugabo ku kirwa yari yatewe yaratewe we ntabwo yari yiremeye. Ku kirwa kimwe umugabo yari yariremeye bagiye gukora abakomando badasanzwe ni nabo bamuhitanye. Max yapfiriyeyo, umukobwa ndetse na Jack na Nyamunini waporezaga, nuko bavuye ku kirwa Muyenzi. Ikirwa cyari cya Sekibi, Devil's Island.
Expected, we got a visit from the men in black suits.
Iminsi yaragiye maze iricuma Mugenzi barakwereka Jack. Jack ni nyama yarwo gusa yaramutse yakuyemo igishati wabona ko Jack.
I'll keep working on it.
Hari ka nyama yarwo gashobora kwihagarara ukarwanya intambara ishoboka.
So,
John.
cheers.
Where'd you get that?
Insurance bought it for me.
Ubwato buri yese wabukuye.
Is it?
Undi ati inshuti yaramunguriye yese. Mfite n'umutetsi mushyashya.
He's my new deckhand and my cook.
Uriya niwe mutetsi mushyashya mfite.
He's a decent cook.
Cya kigabo cya Nyamunini cyabazanye ibyishimo bwari bwose amasaha n'iminsi bimaze kwicuma.
I
Barakwereka Jack ibyishimo bwari bwose n'umukobwa. Basigaye apima neza igikobwa cyaciyeho cyongera gusubira ku kazi. Yewe.
The day when you rated me 2 out of 10, you were joking, right?
Umunsi umbwira ko cyagiye nkubaza iby'isaha saba kugera saa 10 warakinaga sibyo?
Do you see you tomorrow?
Ejo nzakubonana?
Yes.
Yego. Ejo uzambona kabisa nzakwereka imbabazi.
2 points. She wouldn't see me.
Buri munsi abambeshya ngo azanyereka imbabazi. Ejo ntabwo bivamo. Ejo bivamo ejo bundi. Najya kumureba ejo ngo tuzangana n'ejo. Ngicyo muzira gisubiye ku bwato.
We got our first customers.
Dufite abakiriya bacu ba mbere. Barajya he?
Hey, Jack.
Bita Jack.
You owe us some whales, Jack.
Mwana bita Jack akumbe abakiriya be ba mbere. Mwibuke filime itangira abakiriya ba mbere abafite.
See whales.
Baragutegereje bashaka kujya kureba whales.
This old boat looks like it's faster than your last one.
Jack batubwiye kabisa uracyakora kuri ya master shaka.
Wait, where you going, Jack?
Ugiye Jack we.
Jack.
Jack yasize abakiriya be ba mbere arabizi ko abakiriya be ba mbere abangaba nyine. Umunsi wa mbere bamuruhije. Nimwigendere murakatsindwa gusa.
Just shut up, you're scaring him. Jack!
Mwivuga menshi muri muramukaga Jack we. Twasize bamuhamagara Jack. Jack yanze gusubira ku kazi cyane cyane cyakirwe bamubwiye kukijyaho. Nuko kagenzi kitwaga Far Cry. Nakoze kuza murabeho Michael Roshi ndetse n'abandi benshi cyane barateguriye. Shani Williamson umuntu wanditse nuko agafilme kagenze Daniel Craig yaragakinnye anakategura Ball babaye abahimbyi ni benshi cyane baduteguriye. Far Cry Jonathan Sher associate producer.